Giant clam, also known as the giant sea clam, or the marine clam. It is one of the largest known extant bivalve species, with some specimens weighing over 200 kilograms. Giant clams are found in the tropical oceans of the world, where they bury themselves in the sand on the seafloor. They are filter feeders, using their giant shells to collect plankton and other organic matter from the water column. Giant clams are hermaphroditic, meaning that each individual has both male and female reproductive organs. The larvae are then carried by ocean currents to new feeding grounds. Giant clams are an important part of the ecosystem, as they help to recycle nutrients and energy that would otherwise be lost to the deep sea. As adults, they do not move very much, so they are easy prey for predators such as sharks and turtles. However, giant clams are able to defend themselves against most predators by closing their shells tightly. When threatened, their shells can reach a weight of up to 33 kilograms, making them very difficult to pry open. Giant clams are also poisonous, which deters many would-be predators. Their poison is not strong enough to kill a human, but it can cause paralysis and even death in some marine animals. Despite their large size, giant clams are surprisingly slow-moving creatures. They can live for up to 100 years, but they grow very slowly, only reaching their maximum size after about 10 years of growth. Giant clams are harvested for their meat, which is considered a delicacy in some cultures. They are also popular in the aquarium trade, where their large size and slow movements make them a unique and interesting display animal. However, due to their declining populations in the wild, many countries have banned the harvesting and sale of giant clams. The giant clam is a fascinating creature that plays an important role in the marine ecosystem. Their enormous shells and slow movements may make them easy targets for predators, but they are able to defend themselves with their heavy shells and poisonous flesh. These gentle giants are a reminder of the amazing diversity of life that exists in our oceans. Now we're going to look at some interesting facts about giant clams. Did you know that giant clams can weigh over 200 kilograms? That's heavier than a full-grown African elephant. They can also live up to 100 years old, although most die between 20 and 40 years old. Giant clams are found in the Indian Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, and the Pacific Ocean. They are most common in the Philippines, Indonesia, and Malaysia. Giant clams are not just found in salt water. They can also be found in brackish water and even fresh water. They typically live in areas with a lot of vegetation, such as seagrass, meadows, and mangrove forests. This is because they need the roots of these plants to help anchor them in the sediment. Giant clams are mostly active during the day and spend their time filtering plankton and other organic matter out of the water. They use their giant shells to collect